So meetings and reports. So for this particular model, we had meetings weekly, and we would produce a report that looked basically like this. So this was kind of a meeting minutes that we would keep track of coordination related items. So it was some of it was progress, some of it was information that we needed that affected coordination. So, you know, do we need a submittal? What is the size and shape of this piece of equipment? What's the actual location of you know, whatever it may be that we're interested in? So we really track not just clashes, but a kind of a broader definition of anything that affects coordination that we need to keep track of. We also include a coordination schedule, and then we export all of our viewpoints as clashes that get tacked on to the end of this. And so that helps us to kind of keep track of our progress and how we're going. So this is a report that we keep track of and we update and send out weekly, you know, following the meetings. So the meeting layout, it's typically for our meetings, we kind of follow the same process. We usually start the meeting off by going through those meeting minutes and getting an update on any information that's outstanding. Then we'll usually go through clashes that have been outstanding from the previous week. So we'll review which ones have been resolved and which ones carry over. And then we'll usually move into new clashes and run the clash detective and go through and identify any new clashes that have cropped up from the submissions from that week. So hopefully, once we go through this for one area, we'll have a sign off, which basically says that there's no meaningful clashes left in that area of the model. And we'll have everyone agree and sign a piece of paper that says what's in that area of the building's constructible, and then we'll move on to the next area of the building. So we do typically tackle it one area at a time, unless we need to do something drastically different. We try to keep it to one section of the building at a time.